In a historic first, the Chief Justice of India, Justice Surya Kant, visited Bhoi district of Meghalaya to participate as the chief guest at the Mega Camp Come Awareness Program on the National Legal Services Authority NALSA schemes and government welfare schemes held at Madanhe, Marnagar in Bhoi district. The program was organized by the Meghalaya High Court in collaboration with the Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority with the objective of spreading awareness about NALSA schemes and various welfare schemes implemented by both the central and the state governments. During the program, Chief Justice of India, Justice Surya Kant, distributed assistive devices to persons with disabilities and also handed over checks and work orders to various self-help groups and village organizations. Addressing the program, the Chief Justice of India, Surya Kant, recalled his earlier visit to Meghalaya during his tenure as Executive Chairman of the National Legal Service Authority and expressed appreciation to the Meghalaya State Legal Services Authority for organizing the initiative. He also lauded the contributions of government departments, judicial officers, paralegal volunteers, civil society organizations and community stakeholders.
Because I had the privilege of coming to Meghalaya, I think about more than a year back, when I was Executive Chairman of the National Legal Service Authority. At the outset, I extend my appreciation to the Meghalaya State Legal Service Authority for conceptualizing and organizing this important initiative. And also I compliment the various government departments, judicial officers, paralegal volunteers, civil society organizations, community stakeholders, who all have contributed towards this endeavor. Today's program is meant to embody the idea that access to justice and welfare cannot remain dependent on a citizen's ability to navigate distant and complicated systems. Institutions themselves must learn to move closer to the people. Many years ago, I am sharing with all of you, when I was a judge of the Punjab and Haryana High Court and was also Executive Chairman of the State Legal Service Authority, I had an occasion to visit a legal aid and welfare outreach camp in a semi-rural area. During the interaction, a middle-aged construction worker approached one of our legal aid desks, which we had, like here you will see so many desks, and a plastic folder he was carrying containing worn out papers photocopies of ration card, hospital prescription, Aadhaar card, enrollment slip, and partially filled application form. When I inquired, he informed me that his wife had suffered a severe spinal injury after a fall at a construction site and she had become partially immobile. Although she was eligible for disability assistance and medical support under the existing government schemes, the family had not been able to have access and meaningful benefit for almost 1 year. One office asked him to produce a disability certificate from a particular hospital. Another office asked him to digitally upload the application form which the family didn't know how to do it. And at one stage, they were informed that their application could not be processed because the Aadhaar details are not linked correctly. The worker candidly admitted that after months of repeated visits and loss of daily wages, he had almost given up. Though I succeeded in ensuring that legal aid was immediately provided to the family, the benefits to which his wife was entitled to were immediately got released. But that interaction with that person and that incident stayed with me over the years, reminding me how barriers of awareness, distance, language, procedure, and technology can impede access to justice. For many citizens, the challenge is not whether a scheme exists, but whether the system is capable of reaching them where they are. And that, in essence, is what today's theme, when we talk of bridging the gap, truly represents.